Hey Captains, welcome back to B7 Pilot. And today, we're climbing into the cockpit of a true utility legend, the Cessna T207A in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Originally built for rugged missions and remote strips, the T207A brings that classic Cessna vibe, but with more muscle and more space. It's turbocharged, tough, and built to carry the load, whether it's cargo, passengers, or pure bush flying adventure. You'll feel every bump, every bit of torque, and every gust as you thread through mountain valleys or glide into unprepared runways. And that long fuselage? Perfect for roleplay and immersion. This is bush flying with a purpose. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment below. Where will you take the T207A first in your sim journey? This is B7 Pilot, bringing the wings to your screen. I'll see you up there in the virtual skies.